Hello all. In this video I am going to demonstrate a robotic arm shifting load from one point to another point. So my arm is consisting of two stepper motors and I am using a stud connecting the two stepper motors. So this is one stepper motor connected with the proximity sensor. As you can see here, there is a proximity sensor and this is the first stepper motor. And this is the second stepper motor. As you can see, I am testing the device with only one stepper motor connected. I did not connect the second stepper motor. I want to see the strength of one stepper motor only. So I did not connect the second stepper motor. I want to test the circuit with only one stepper motor. So as you can see here, the stepper motor is moving the load from one point to another point. You can see here, this stepper motor is moving. Here also it is moving. So you can see here, the proximity sensor is monitoring the motor motion. You can see here, the proximity sensor is monitoring the motor motion. Now, in the software, I have given a fixed number of turns to rotate, and the proximity sensor is counting the number of rotation. If the motor fails to rotate, the proximity sensor count will tell the software the motor did not rotate, and it will again give a command to the motor to rotate, and it will make sure the number of length, the total number of turns is completed and the load is shifted from the particular point to the second particular point. So like this you can see here, the counting is in progress. So my motor software count is 20. That means the motor has to rotate 20 turns. And if the motor is not able to rotate physically 20 turns, however the software has given the command to rotate, in that case this proximity sensor will count whatever count the motor has rotated, and it will again tell the motor to rotate further so that the total rotation of 20 turns is completed. You can see the counting is in progress. So you can see this is my circuit for the stepper motor drivers. So this is the first stepper motor driver circuit, and this is the second stepper motor driver circuit. This is another stepper motor driver circuit, this one. And this is the circuit that is monitoring the proximity probe, because proximity probe doesn't run on 5 volts DC bus, it is running on 12 volts DC. So we need a isolation circuit to interface it with Arduino Uno. So this part of the circuit does this function. So now here you can see Arduino Uno. You can see the Arduino Uno is monitoring the circuit. You can see the blinks on the LED, making sure that the motor is turning. So this is the pin number 13 of Arduino Uno blinking when it is detecting the rotation. So this is how circuit is behaving. Now I will take you to the software and I will show you the software definitions. So as you can see here, the status. The interrupted word means it has detected the proximity switch. Proximity is detected. The number of remaining turns it is showing, you can see. And the direction of load movement also it is showing. You can see the number of turns. See now, number of turns is 3 turns remaining, 2 turns remaining. You can see the motor will rotate in reverse direction, that is left to right. Yes, now it will rotate from left to right. See, it has started rotating from left to right. The word interrupted means it has detected the proximity switch. So this is how the software is working. You can see the motor movement. So one stepper motor is not connected. This motor is not connected. So I will connect this stepper motor later. I want to test it with only one stepper motor. I want to do a load test of one stepper motor. That's why I didn't connect the second stepper motor. Here in the next project we can install, instead of stepper motor, we can install this bearings and all, so that the shaft gets support. It is confirmed that the shaft is able to move, one stepper motor is able to move the load from one point to another. So this is all for today. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.